Paris at night has a rhythm all its own. The streets exhale, the tourists disappear, and the city trades its perfume for cigarette smoke and frying oil. Somewhere between midnight and just go ahead and stay up all night, hunger creeps in. The kind that doesn't want refinement, it wants release. Not a tartare, not a tartine, noodles. The kind you can slurp, sweat over, and regret nothing. That's how I ended up here, TranTranZai, a tiny Szechuan joint in the 9th Arrondissement that doesn't look like much, but for a certain kind of night, it's exactly what you need. Paris is the city of croissants and foie gras. TranTranZai is where that story takes a left turn. It's fluorescent light and stainless steel. No tablecloths, no pretense, no time to be elegant. Just the hiss of chili oil and the quiet promise that you're about to feel alive again. Start with the beef dumplings, always. They come in slick and swollen, floating in a shallow pool of soy and vinegar, little parcels of comfort disguised as punishment. You pick one up, bite in, and it bursts. Broth, ginger, beef, garlic, everything you've been missing since lunch. This is the kind of dish that makes you forget where you are. It's not Paris anymore. It's 2 a.m. in Chengdu. The streets slick with rain, and a man with a cigarette hanging off his lip hands you something that burns and heals at the same time. That's what these dumplings are, a cure disguised as sin. And then come the DanDan noodles, the thing you were really here for. Every noodle shop has its anthem. This is TranTranZai's. Thick noodles tangled under a landslide of minced pork, pickled mustard greens, scallion, and more chili oil than any Parisian should legally consume. You mix it all together. The sauce stains your chopsticks, your hands, maybe even your shirt, but it doesn't really matter because the first bite tells you everything you need to know. The sesame hits first, nutty, rich, grounding. Then the chili crawls in, slow, electric, numbing. It's not just spice, it's a sensation, like your mouth has decided to buzz in Morse code, and underneath it all, a kind of balance that only disruption can achieve. The French talk about terroir, soil, land, a sense of place. These noodles have that too, but their terroir is fire, spice, and a sense of havoc and turmoil. Paris is famous for its elegance, its restraint, but there's another side, the late-night hunger, the restless craving for something that doesn't belong here but somehow fits perfectly. That's what this place is. TranTranZai doesn't compete with the bistros and brasseries. It exists in a parallel universe, one made of chili oil, steam, and the sound of noodles being pulled apart. And maybe that's the real Paris. Not the polished postcard version, but the one you find when the city's asleep and you're still awake, searching for something honest.